Take a few questions, sir. Sir, magsisimula po ang impeachment process sa Senado bukas. Your thoughts, sir, about how things are going?
Well, this is really a function of the Senate right now, so we leave it to them. It has moved already from the House. It has now been in the Senate for a few months, and we are watching, of course, what the Senate President Jesus Escudero is doing to try to make it as a peaceful a transition as possible from this Congress to the next. So, I think.
Ang controversy po ngayon ay kung tatawid daw from 19th to 20th Congress. As a former senator judge, what are your thoughts on that controversy, sir?
What is the controversy? It is very clear that it will. Because there's no way that even if they start the trial now, that they will finish it before the new senators come in. So, well, again, the senators will decide.
Sir, nagsumbong po yung mga empleyado ng Bureau of Immigration about certain allegations of corruption against Commissioner Rubio. Has this reached your office, and what are your instructions?
Well, first we're looking at it, but you know, this mahirap mapag-aralan ng mabuti kung white paper na hindi pinirmahan at saka walang specifics. But nonetheless, everything like this, we look into it, and we will continue to do that.
Sir, may update po ba tayo sa cabinet revamp, sir? Update po sa cabinet revamp kung meron pong mga bagong developments.
You know, I have to explain that it's not a cabinet revamp. What we really did was we are still in the process of examining. Now, nasa baba na tayo. What happened really here was that I put everyone on notice that you are basically all on probation. And, okay, this time, it looks like yung iba, maganda naman ang performance. Ngayon, nasa USEC na tayo, nasa mga agencies na tayo. But we are, what you refer to as a cabinet revamp is not a one-shot, one-time, big-time thing. It is an ongoing thing. This is something, it is essentially putting all government agencies, departments on notice that we have to do better, and we will be looking very, very closely, and we will make that review on a periodic basis, maybe a quarterly basis. And titignan natin yung mga target ba natin, naabot ba natin on a quarterly basis. And we'll be much more rigorous in looking at the performance, not only at the top level, but all the way. And that's why we will see, I'm sure you will see more changes in the future.
Thank you,
Thank you, Mr. President.